Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is over there on the bed going all cray cray, you know, like cats do. But y'all, I got my Stitch Fix exchange of that denim that I in my last fix, which I really didn't, I expected to get it before now because y'all have already got another fix sitting over there. Of course, I do get it every 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm a little obsessed. Anyway, we're going to open it up. We're going to look at these jeans and I'll try them on. The thing about exchanges with Stitch Fix, if they don't fit, you can't send them back again. And I do love that. Don't know that I will because I just demolished this bag. But, yeah, I've always got a Stitch Fix bag laying around. So these are 30s. The other ones I had were 31. These are the kancan jeans. I normally get these kancan jeans from Maurices, but I really did like these. But I was afraid they would stretch out. I normally buy these as a little tight on me because they do stretch out during the day. So these are the Charlie High Rise Boot Cut jeans in Indigo size 10. I really like these kancan jeans. These are some of my favorite jeans, and I'm so excited that Stitch Fix has started carrying them. But so cute. Look how adorable they are. I have been really enjoying the boot and the flare lately. What are you doing, Callie? Such a silly girl. Hey, baby girl. What are you doing? Yeah, gotta mark the jeans. There's something new in the house. We must mark it. Okay, I will pop the price up on the screen somewhere. I don't have it on me and it didn't give me any kind of information because they are exchanged. Hang on a second. Y'all, my phone just started ringing and you know, it vibrates on here and it like the whole stand just went crazy. The phone turned and Callie went running. Oh, it was a mess. You know, fever brain, everything is just funny. The jeans were $58, which I think is a good price for a jean. It's a lot better than these $70, $100 jeans that they normally send. So I do like that. Like I said, I exchanged them for a smaller size. Y'all let me know what you think when I try them on. Let me know if you think these are too tight, if I should have kept the other size, or if you like these on me. I want to hear it all. Comment below. I love to read y'all's comments, and it really does brighten my day, especially when I'm not feeling so great. I would love it also if you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, press that share button so you can put it on your social media and we can grow the channel. I really appreciate it when you do that, and don't forget to press the notification bell. It does let you know when I have new videos coming out. Thank you so very much. I'll see you back in a second with my outfit of the day and trying on those jeans. I completely forgot to tell you anything about Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription. Like I said, you can get it every 2 weeks. You can get it every month, every other month. And I do believe now you can even just do an on-demand box. You know, go try it out. If you don't like it, cancel it or pause it, whatever you want to do. That's what my husband did. He got only one box. And I wish he would get another one. But he is so bad about not liking to try on clothes. You know how guys are. Anyway, they send you 5 clothing items. You have a styling fee of $20. If you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. I'm so sorry. Of course, returns, exchanges, all that is free. If you keep anything, you do get credited that $20 back. And if you want to try it, click my link below and you'll get $25 in credit. So thank you so very much. It does help me out as well. It also gives me $25 in credit. That helps me keep giving you these videos, or making these videos, putting stuff in the videos. That way it's not just me talking, rambling. There's actually something to show you. So thank you so very much. If you do that, see you back in a second. All right, so here's my outfit of the day. Just ignore the piles of stuff. There's Miss Cali Cat, everybody. You want to say hi to Miss Cali Cat? Say hi. She's like, I'm tired. All right, so here is my outfit for today, y'all. I got this, I think, from Marshalls. I'll link it all below. The top underneath it, this is Christian SIRIANO. I don't know, it's the first time I've worn it. I don't remember where I got it. My jeans are 1822s. They're too big for me. I had to belt them. Got that from JCPenney's. Look at these cute boots. Oh my goodness, are they just not perfect? I got these from Maurices. So cute. These earrings I got from Torrid. Aren't they cute? Alright, so here is my outfit of the day. Y'all tell me what you think. Do you like this outfit? I think it's adorable. I'll see you back in a second. So here is today's outfit, y'all. Everything is literally pretty much the first thing I grabbed because, yeah, I still don't feel great. I've been sick for like a month. I'm so tired of it. Please ignore the mess because, yeah, I haven't felt like doing anything but laying in bed. My hair is a mess. My makeup is a mess. Everything's a mess. But who cares? We want to look at some clothes. So this is today's outfit. Now you will see another outfit of the day that was from a couple days ago because I am filming this a couple days later. I completely lost my voice yesterday. I actually think the day before it started going out. So I couldn't film at all. And so you're going to see this outfit and the outfit I wore the other day. So this top I got from Stitch Fix. Look, isn't it cute? Very boho-y. Very cute. These jeans are from Express, and they're not my favorite simply because they do this roll-up thing at the bottom, and since I don't iron, I have to mess with them all day. And then first things I grabbed, I think I got these from Torrid. All right, so let's try on some clothes. There's Miss Catty Cat. Y'all, I'm really glad I sized down because these do fit perfectly. Honestly, I probably could size down one more and have them a little tight in case they stretched out more. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave them like this. I do think they are very cute. And you know I love the kankans. I actually got 2 more pair of kankans coming from Maurices because they were having a sale yesterday where they were $45 a pair. So yeah, you'll see more kankans on here. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, my butt looks lovely. All right, I'll see you back in a second. All right, y'all, I'm back, red nose and all. Yeah, I'm glad I sized down on these jeans, the can jeans. I think it was a good idea. I actually wore them through a couple of try-ons. Although I do wish they were a little higher, I still like them. They weren't sliding down. I love these cans, and that's why I have more coming. So y'all let me know, comment below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, I'd love it if you press all those buttons. Like, subscribe, share, and the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.